A warm greetings to one and all. In this session, let's learn about hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, more than one derived class inherits the properties from a single base class. Let's have an example where we have three classes, namely class A, class B, and class C. Class A serves as a base class. Class B and class C are derived class of class A. Here we have single base class, class A, and we have multiple derived class, that is class B and class C. Next, let's have a real-time example. Here we have father class that serves as a base class, and child 1 sister class and child 2 brother class act as derived class of class father. In this example, we have single father class that act as a base class and two derived classes, namely child 1 sister class and child 2 brother class, are derived from the single father base class. Let's learn the syntax for hierarchical inheritance. First, let's have this example where class A is acting as a base class and class C and class B is acting as a derived class. So here in this type of inheritance, we have single base class and multiple derived class, which is called as hierarchical inheritance. So based on this example, we can look into the syntax. Here we have defined the class definition for base class 1, which has its own member variable and functions. Then we have defined the class definition for derived class 1, where the derived class 1 inherits the properties of base class. And derived class 1 has its own member variables and function. In addition to that, it can access the member variable and functions available in base class. Next, we have defined the class definition for derived class 2, where derived class 2 inherits the properties of the base class. Derived class 2 has its own member variable and member function. In addition to this, derived class 2 can access the member variables and member function available in this base class. Hope you are clear in this syntax for hierarchical inheritance. Let's have an example program for hierarchical inheritance. Here we have defined the class definition for class A. Class A defines the member function add-off, where we have declared the variable x of integer data type and assigned with value 10, variable y of integer data type and assigned with value 5, variable z of integer data type and assigned with an expression x plus y. Using cout statement, we have displayed the value of the variable z to the user. Next, we have defined the class definition for class B, that is class B colon public A. So here class B inherits the properties of class A. So class B can access the variables and member function which are available in class A in addition to its own variables and member function. Class B defines the member function subtract, and we have declared the variables A of integer data type and assigned with value 10, variable B of integer data type and assigned with value 5, variable C of integer data type and assigned with an expression A minus B. Using cout statement, we have displayed the value of the variable C to the user. Next, we have defined the class definition for class C, that is class C colon public A. So here class C inherits the properties of class A. So class C can access the member variables and member functions which are available in class A in addition to its own variable and member function. Class C defines the member function multiply of, and we have declared the variables R of integer data type and assigned with value 10, variable S of integer data type and assigned with value 5, variable T of integer data type and assigned with an expression R into S. Using cout statement, we have displayed the value of the T to the user. In main function, we have created the object small a, small b, and small c for the class capital A, capital B, and capital C respectively. So using class A object small a, we can access the member function which is defined in class A. Using the object small b, we can access the member function which is available in class A and also in class B. Using the object class C, small c, we can access the member function which is available in class A and also in class C. Now let's see the execution of the program, and we all know that execution starts from main function. We have created the object small a, b and c for the class A, B, C respectively. Next, a dot add off. So using class A object small a, we are accessing the function add which is available in class A. So now control is transferred to the add function which is available in class A. In add function, we add the variables x and y, that is 10 plus 5, and stored in the variable z, and using cout statement, we are displaying that to the user. That is, in base class A, value of the variable z is 15. We can see in the output. In base class A, value of the variable z, that is 15, is displayed to the user. Now control moves to the main function. The next statement is b dot add off. So using the class B object, small b, we are accessing the function add which is available in class A, since class B inherits the properties of class A. So as we know earlier, the add function adds a variable x and y and displays the value 15 to the user. So we can see in the output in base class A, value is 15 is displayed to the user. After executing addition function, the control is moved to the main function again. So here we have b dot subtract off. So using class B object small b, we are accessing the function subtract which is available in class B. Here we subtract the variables a minus b, that is 10 minus b, and we store the value in C, that is 5 is stored in the variable C. Using cout statement, we have displayed the value of the variable C to the user, that is in the derived class B, 10 minus 5, 5 is displayed to the user as shown in the output. So after executing subtract function, the control moves to the main function. Next, it is C dot add off. Using the class capital C object small c, we are accessing the function add which is available in class A. So now control moves to the class A and performs the addition operation and shows the value, that is 10 plus 5, 15 to the user using cout statement, that is in base class A, 15 is displayed to the user as shown in the output. Now the control comes back to the main function. Here, using the class C object small c, we are accessing the method multiply which is available in class C. So control moves to the class C multiply function where we perform R into S, that is 10 into 5, 15, and the value of T is displayed to the user using cout statement, that is in derived class C, the value T, that is 10 into 5, 50, is displayed to the user as shown in the output, that is in derived class C, the value 50 is displayed to the user. Now control again transfer to the main function. The next statement is written 0. It represents that the program has been successfully executed. And output is displayed to the user as shown in the output. Hope you are clear on hierarchical inheritance example. Thank you all.